Miguel, I understand that you had surgery with Dr. Busabanic about 6 years ago.
About 6 years ago, yes.
Can you tell me a little bit about it?
I was suffering from pain. I'm 47 now. And since I was 19, I did injections, I did physical therapy, all kinds of different treatments. Some did help, but did not completely fix the problem. 3 different specialists suggested for me to do a fusion on the bones. I knew some friends and they did not recommend the fusion, but at least not for them, it didn't work for them. But I didn't know anything about disc replacement. I didn't know it existed. That week I called Dr. Busabanic and he gave me an appointment a week after that, and I said, this sounds good to me. And a month after that I had my surgery, and for the longest time since I was 19, I've been in pain. 2 weeks after the surgery, I'm 100% pain free. I'm 100% pain free now.
And it's been 6 years since then.
It's been 6 years, yes. I can move, I can do everything.
Good. So now you referred Stephanie over.
This is Stephanie, my fiance. She has been having pain for a while, so she can tell you her story.
Stephanie, how did you feel prior to your surgery?
So prior to my surgery, everything that has to do with this history of pain started in 2021. I think that I was kind of like overextending myself, running a lot, going to the gym a lot, and I guess I was not aware that I had this underlying condition or that something was wrong to begin with. After 2021, I had to start visiting a lot of doctors, MRIs, studies, and that's how they discovered that I had some degenerative disc on my lumbar. All of the different doctors, they wanted to go more conservative. They wanted me to go to therapy, which I did. They wanted me to get the injections, which I did. They even suggested to change my lifestyle, and that was a horror story for me because I've always been very active. Now you have to live someone else's life, basically, and not do the things that you enjoyed doing. That was devastating for me. I looked for other doctors, and that's when Miguel referred me to Dr. Busabanic. Initially, he also looked at my MRIs, and I don't know, I always felt very confident with doing my procedure with him. How he spoke about it, all the videos that I watched, and the testimonials of how many people were happy with the procedure, that inspired me. And it's been 2 days from my surgery. He actually had to do it on 2 levels on my lumbar back, and I feel great. The radiating pain that I was having all the way from my spine to my feet, it's gone.
It's only been 2 days.
And it's only been 2 days. Yes, I was walking yesterday. I feel
great.
Happy. I feel great.
You look great.
And I know it's only gonna get better. So if anyone is looking for second opinions, I would definitely come see Dr. Busabanic.
And you flew over from North Carolina to see him?
Yes.
Oh,
2 years ago for my first consultation, and then for my surgery. Now again, I was convinced I wanted to do it with him, so it didn't matter if I had to travel. I'm happy with my decision.
And would you both recommend Dr. Busabanic?
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Actually, I want to share my scar.
Okay, there's no scar. What scar?
So the scar
Nothing.
is it's like this big.
Oh my God, there is no scar.
No, it's like
No, it's
magic.
Yeah, but there's nothing. I mean,
Here it is.
you can't see it.
You can see it. Dr. Busabanic has been great, and also everyone here in the office.
But honestly, Dr. Busabanic and the whole team has been great. The treatment that we get from y'all, it's been great.
I'm so glad you're doing so well, both of you.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.